A very good morning to everyone. So our topic is virtual tourism. So let's explore it. So this is our table of content. You can view all the basic topics we are going to cover, and then consider preparing for a family tour. There will be definitely be days of planning, hours of traveling, and money spent in thousands. Consider another situation where you can travel to your dream locations, or just take this pandemic time where you won't be able to travel anywhere. Many of them suffered from depression and loneliness. Keeping this in mind, our aim is to remove all the constraints in tourism and make the tourism available to everyone and allow them to explore tourist spots all around the world. So this can save money, reduce depression, and more importantly, saves our time. It can be a game changer if it could more naturally replicate the behavior of the real spot. We can make a tour from our home. Due to this quiet period, none of us can go out and explore any places. So this virtual tourism will be will be really helpful to help explore them from home. Not all of them can afford money for traveling. So our free website can help us to discover and explore many places uh, through which they can travel with no harm. And these are our needs. And then so our objective is to give a real-time view of any place in the world where the users can move around anywhere in the places that he or she likes to move. This they also can move with their friends, and the needy and the COVID affected people can also go anywhere, so the stress related problems could be reduced. A tourist will be able to explore in a 3D replication of the location where he can explore the location with a real time experience using VR. Though it can't really bring the real time in person feel, it can just justify the touring experience that is done from home. And a person with a very good stable network can go and view any places in the world. So people who can afford for traveling and COVID patient who can go out freedomly are the main target audience of our project. So this is a level 0 data flow diagram. Here you see there are three entities where user, location and the VR service, and the data are location for and VR virtual environment. And this is our sample UI prototype or sample website design, and then this is a sample prototype of the project which is made using Unity. It is available as a for desktop versions in website, and we have also made an Android app which is currently under development. So this will be available with the VR ability. And so the development methodology we use front end as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the back end as C++, C Sharp, and Python. Thank you.